This next pose is also a bonus pose, and it's known as Mermaid pose. And we're employing here the sling for a full torso support. This should be done at a lower setting so it's easier to get into. It could be mid-shin, knee, or ankle height. Here we are using ankle height to get into the pose, kneeling behind the sling with the foam away from you. You're going to place one knee into the sling and open up the fabric arm's length in front of you. Now, kneeling into the sling, come up onto your knee, thread your arms through the front of the sling, and begin to lower yourself slowly into the fabric. That's it, extending your legs, snuggle inside. And here you can explore and have fun. You can sweep back and forth, do a little flying. Come into an upward facing dog to warm up your spine for further back bends.